Hi guys, welcome back to Burning Cereal. My name's Nico. What I have for you today is a recipe that I picked up from a buddy whose mom used to put it on chilaquiles and I thought it was amazing. It's a tomatillo salsa. What we need are tomatillos, jalapeno, cilantro, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, oregano, cumin. We're gonna throw this all together and it's as easy as... Peel the husk off the tomatillos. Okay, next I'm gonna chop up an onion. And we're only gonna use about a quarter of this. Next, I'm gonna chop cilantro. Next, we're gonna do a jalapeno. We're going to clean it, stem it, and remove the seeds. Same thing here, we're just gonna mince this. We're gonna add all this into the pot. So now we're gonna season our veggies. So our cumin, our oregano, salt and pepper to taste, garlic, and don't forget to check the description down below for all the measurements to our ingredients. Now we'll add 2 cups of water. Gonna stir this up a little. And then we're gonna cook this on a medium-high heat. We're gonna bring it to a boil. Okay, so this took about 15 to 18 minutes. Once it's done, we're gonna let it cool for a little. Now that it's cooled, we're gonna add it into the blender. Okay, we're gonna blend this up. Gonna let it chill for 24 hours. We'll come back tomorrow, taste it. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome back. We let this chill for 24 hours, so let's give it a go. Really good. The flavors all blend really well together. I didn't go with spicy for the family, but if you want to do spicy, I suggest adding a serrano or two. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in next week because we have a surprise that I'm really excited for with this salsa. I mean, hey, 2 takes and we're almost there. I feel like I'm winning in life here.
Yeah, you are.
Charlie Sheen in it.